Tao! Mabuhay years! Welcome to my vlog. I'm your vlogger, teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Ringdon. Live and alive, I'm here in Davao City, just in front of City Hall of Davao. Okay, this is my a day in Davao City. Davao City life is here. Where life is here again, Davao City. And I was able to have my touchdown here in ice cream business people, small business. And my favorite one is the charcoal flavor. They are located in front of Unitap. Okay. Sir, I would just like to picture, gusto na ako i-picture imong the greatest Aliwagwag Falls sa ito ice cream. Oh. Pila nakakatuig anong small business?
Ano na, mga 8 years.
8 years. So far, okay man.
Oo, okay siya. Okay, makabuhi o isa ka makasawa.
Wow, ha? Gusto ko yan. Paano ginagawa? Kung saan nun pag una i-mix ani, sir?
Ito lang siya, i-mix lang ito ng ingredients.
Ingredients, sabay-sabay, one at a time.
Sabay.
Sabay lang po siya. So, for now, usay available nga flavor.
Ang available na to ron kay avocado, charcoal, o mango.
Yeah, I love.
Available flavor.
Yeah, I love all. Pero mas gusto ko yung charcoal.
Okay.
In lang, there is no charcoal. So, whenever I'm in Davao, I always go here in City Hall to look for you. To look for the charcoal ice cream. So, according to some, the charcoal ice cream is having benefits, medicinal, right? Yeah, pambani siya. Maraming gamot. Okay. So, here it is. Okay lang ba, sir? Yan yung pangalan mo. Okay lang. Di ka na. Delete naman ka wanted siguro. Bayad naman lahat ng utang. Yung sa kanya, sir? Si
Jaime Masong Jr.
Jaime Masong Jr. I-follow mo ko niya sa kay Mabuhay Channel niya siya na ko.
Mabuhay Channel?
Erlinda Ringdon. Unyang gabi pa kay ano pa ko.
Sa Facebook eh?
Na Facebook, na po YouTube. This is my picture of Mabuhay Channel supporting small business of Davaoeño. Here in Davao Life is here again. Okay, this is my purpose, my vlog to support other people, business, small business. Ma'am, okay lang ma'am. I will ask question ma'am. Okay lang? Okay. Okay. So this time, may bili na ice cream. So we'll have a glimpse. Yan, open na ni sir. Mango. The middle is my favorite, charcoal. And the avocado. Yeah. Wow. It's only 20 pesos. Wow. It is really worth your cravings like me. For almost 1 year, I was not able to have a taste of this charcoal flavor. Look at my location now. I'm in front of Unitap Davao. Afterwards, I will be going there also after eating ice cream. And in my back is the Davao City Hall. That's the Davao City Hall. City Hall of Davao. Okay. And there are photographers roaming around, ready to accommodate for those who are here going to City Hall of Davao to have their picture printed. So, this is a day in Davao City. So let's move forward to the other ice cream business. Thank you so much.
Wala pa.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, let's go over there. We'll interview other ice cream vendors also. Meanwhile, I would like to share to you the view of my tour. City Hall of Davao. There's the Dorian, the replica of the Dorian City Hall of Davao. The front of City Hall. Front view. Iron Wall.